ating pong handog this coming Sunday. Dito po sa The Arena in San Juan, San Sebastian, squaring off for Perpetual. Samantalang Ateneo ay lalaban sa koponan ng Philippine Air Force. At ang ating third member of the panel this afternoon, Mia Kalim, anong meron dyan?
Coach Ronnie, actually super excited ako to cover this game today kasi itong dalawang teams na to talagang powerhouse. Dito kinukuha yung mga guest players from other teams. Kaya naman pag sila naglaro ng kanilang sariling roster, you would always know na talagang explosive ang mga games nila. And both coaches even told me na they know each other's system. Kaya naman, aside from their defense, it's gonna be battle of the brains. Now, Coach Rico de Guzman of Army, sabi niya, ang kailangan daw nilang gawin for this game today, maging aggressive, tsaka kailangan sila mas maging keen sa kanilang receive and reception. Wala pa naman si Coach Aria de la Cruz of the Air Force. Sabi niya, his players should be on their A game for them to be able to beat the Army. Sabi niya, kung matutulog sila o kung pipikit man sila, kailangan one eye at a time, guys.
Hindi nga naman pwedeng pumikit ng sabay dahil baka hindi ka magising. At kung magising ka, baka talo ka na. So far to nakabawi rito ang Army after being down by as much as 2 points, 7 serving 8.
Well, you know that what Miyaka said was right. And these people, the coaches, they know. Yeah, because they play against each other. Olympics.
Bunag getting that point for Army. Tama sila naghaharap, no? Dun sa AFP Little Olympics. Nakapaglaro na rin ako dyan years ago. Kung kaya't alam natin na every year after year, sila yung nag-uutakan at nagugulangan upang mamuno dun sa ganong klaseng liga.
Are you play there?
Yes.
Oh.
Many years ago. Matagal na yun. Ito, 3 straight points after being down 8-6. Mayat Carolino serving. Of course, Axel is the official outfitter ng ating Shakey's B-League. Suki rin natin yan.
Well, you know, one person for me that you really have to watch out for in Air Force is Wendy Ann Semana. She still got it. Her reflex, she was known, you know, to be quick.
Naalala ko yan.
Yeah.
Tagal ko siyang sinubaybayan. As we take a look at this last play, ito nga, Semana going to Miser once again. How many times have we seen that combination? 9 points. Napangiti pa rito si Aiza. Isang dating MVP rin yan, no?
Yes.
Pero siyang may record, alam ko, regular season at finals MVP, nakuha niya sa isang conference.
Well, she does. You know, Wendy Ann, don't look at her height. I mean, but she makes up for it with her leap, no?
Pero matalino maglaro.
Matalino.
Nasundan ko siya nung siya ay naglalaro pa sa FEU.
Yes. So ngayon, wala ng FEU, wala ng UST there in one team.
One very strong team. Very tight first set. Bowsy once again getting that ball across. Titignan natin dito yung mga blockers para dito sa Air Force. Lalong-lalo na pag umikot yan, kung sino yung nasa harap. Pag lumiit yan, siguradong bubugbugin yan nila Balset ni Michelle Carolino. Balset serving. Semana trying to save that ball. Oh, it's still pa yan.
Oh, Bunag's playing very well for Army.
Like she did in the first game. Bunag also scoring well para dito sa Philippine Army. Siya ang second leading scorer para sa kanilang koponan in winning that game against yung kanilang rivals na Philippine Navy.
You know, Bunag is actually showing us that you don't need to really be so much powerful. You just know where to put it. You know, very simple volleyball. Wow, good save by Iratay.
Binagsak lang niya para masalo ng kanyang kasama. Iratay to Bunag. Kaya sinasabi natin, pag maliit ang blockers, advantage ang attackers. Dalia Cruz called for that fault. A double touch dito si Dalia.
That's right. Well, joust at the net. One there by Air Force. How often do you see that? Dalia Cruz losing out on a joust.
At saka bihira rin ako makakita ng mga ladies na mas maikling buhok sa akin. Pero ngayon, sa ating first set, marami na sila. Dalia Cruz with that power hit. Miscommunication between Cruz and Bunag.
Well, you know, Air Force, slowly but surely, they're just, you know, hanging around. In paper, people are saying Army strong.
Yes.
Because they're, you know, they're
Big
more
names.
big names. Their fitness levels better. But you know, Air Force hanging around.
Especially that Philippine Air Force did not win a single set in their first game against San Sebastian. But here, kanina behind sila nung nag-umpisa. But lumamang sila ng 2 points. Bumalik ang Army. Lumang na naman ng 2 points ang Air Force.
Well, the reception of Army obviously having some problems. Wow! Wow, Bunag again.
Tama yung sinabi mo. This time, maganda ang pag-receive and Bunag with that second ball. 12, serving 13.
Bunag hitting it down the line. Parang wala siyang blockers in that play.
Kita-kita naman natin. Rinig na rinig natin yung yak to finish that point for Air Force, of course. Jennifer Manzano stands about 5'10" at least, showing us why she is one of the top players itong kupunan ng hukbong panghimpapawid.
Haba.
Haba. Once again, going to Carolino.
Oh, good dig.
Rose Makatangay going to Isa Maiso after digging. Went for that attack. Pero unforced error. 13 serving 14. Lamang pa rin ang isa rito ang Air Force.
Actually, Isa Maiso nagulat to that.
Nagulat ang binalik sa kanya.
Yeah.
Pero nakaangat pa rin, ano?
That's right. You know Isa Maiso.
Of
Kahit
course.
kaya na yan.
Very athletic. Semana. Tumakatangay. Cruz. Carolino.
Oh, good cover.
Too low. Oh!
Miscue there. That was gettable. There's 3 Air Force lady players there, but medyo may konting miscue.
Well, maski nasagot tong libero yun, wala na rin siyang pupuntahan dahil wala siyang papasahan. Tatlo sila rin, kumpol-kumpol. Iratay, serving. 2 straight points once again for Army. Yun ang nakikita natin dito na momentum swings, no? And 15-14 in favor of Philippine Army. Philippine Army beating the Navy squad in 4 sets a couple of days ago.
That was a classic
Yes,
match.
took almost 2 hours. Ratay serving. Eto na. Semana. That's a check ball.
Well, Army asking for a check ball,
Check.
but they don't get it.
Sabi rin ni Michelle, check ball. Pero hindi, naitawag dito in favor of the Air Force squad. Semana on deck to serve for the first time this afternoon. Dati naalala ko, jersey nito, number 7 eh.
Yes.
Dalia Cruz in black and green, scoring the 16 point. Head into the second technical timeout with this. Her team ahead by 1 point.